Hello everyone, I'm here with Meyer Motors, here to show you our 2020 Acura MDX SH all-wheel drive. This vehicle does have adaptive cruise control, so if I put the cruise control on here, it will automatically put automatic cruise control on, but you have to be having your seatbelt on first before you go into adaptive cruise control. If you do not have it on, it will not work. Also, this vehicle has lane keep assist, which the button is here. You can turn it on or off, and there's forward collision alert, which you can turn on and off. Also, it does have the lane keep assist here too. So right there, it will show dotted lines, and that will let you know if you have it on or off. So if it's off, then it will go off the screen up there. Also, there's a button here, which will be your gap adjust for how close you're going to be to a vehicle before it alerts you. Also, this vehicle does have a rear vision camera, and the mirrors do tilt also. So if I put it in reverse right now, then the mirrors are going to go down. So let's redo that again. So it's in park now, so the mirror moves back up, and then once you put it in reverse, it goes right back down. Also, there is a dynamic mode, which is right here, and if you click that button, it will show up here as there's sport, normal, and comfort, sorry. Also, this vehicle does have a sunroof, and it does have a universal home remote, which is right where the sunroof buttons are. The sunroof buttons are right here, and then the universal home remote is right next to that. This vehicle is a 7-passenger, so there's the 2 front bucket seats, and there's a bench seat, and then another 2 buckets back there, or captain chairs, however you prefer saying it. Also, there is a power liftgate, which you can use with this button here. If you hold it down, then your back liftgate will open up automatically, or if you hit the button on the back of the liftgate, it will open. We can do an overview on the exterior if you want. This does have the Weather MDX floor liners also for the floor mats. This vehicle, I have the key, that's why it's beeping, but this vehicle has passive entry, so if you hit the button there, you can lock it or unlock it. This vehicle has a turn signal on the mirrors. Those are what the rims look like. They're Michelin tires on that. It is a black metallic exterior color also. And it has the SH all-wheel drive right here as a badge on the back of the liftgate. So if I go touch the liftgate, it will beep to let you know it's going to open. Also, to close this, put the seats down, there are manual, so you pull down there and then you push it forward, and that's how the seats go down. If you have any questions on this vehicle, please feel free to give us a call or visit our website at gomeyermotors.com. Thanks for watching.